Hello, I am Asrar. We have discussed about what teaching and learning look like in 2040, and everyone has an optimistic overview about this topic. As Francisca pointed that collaborative learning and sharing knowledge is very important for the future, and to have better developed education system, we should be prepared to learn the skills that needed for the future. In fact, according to Fraser and Sandford, some countries are moving towards developing the education and prepare it for the future. For example, UK government is spending 45 billions for building schools for the future program. Yiza talked about the complex theory and the need of having good interactions and to create a powerful and effective educational environment by using the technology. I think the challenge is that how people become more familiar with the new technology and practice using it in the education, as Fraser and Sandford mentioned. In addition, City said that the new technology is expensive and it might be for people who can afford to learn in this new environment. For me, I'm more optimistic about using new technology like VR in the education because some governments are considering building cities for the future relying on the new technology. For example, Saudi Arabia are building a new city called Neom based on the new technology such as VR and augmented reality, and it will be completed by 2030 as a part of the government vision. So, I think by 2040, maybe all this technology can be used in the education in all Saudi cities. However, that could be different from country to another, depend on the economic situation. Finally, Fraser and Sandford indicates some recommendations for development program of the future education as follows. First, move toward curriculum for networked learning. That means how to make learners work more effectively using the social network in education. Also, start using tools for distance learning, not just relying on what they have in schools. Second, let educators start building their own personal network, creating their own relations and resources and the educational environment. Third, move toward monitoring network development to ensure educators having the right informed choices and balance education. The last recommendation, moving towards the creation of public forums to let everyone in the education environment discuss the change of technology and emerging the social network to the education system. In summary, Francisca, Yeiza, Siti, and me Asrar discussed different points about what teaching and learning look like in 2040, such as shared knowledge, complex theory, assessment, and virtual reality. These points together could help developing teaching and learning in the future to have better impact on the education environment. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.